Hello. Yes, I'm in my car recording again. I really don't like that I do this, but this is, I promise, one vlog I'm gonna actually be filming in my studio. But now that I've been doing something every Monday, this is what we have to go with. So this is what we're doing and we're rolling. So the last few days, I have been trying to get the sunset or something to be able to show on my vlog. And I feel so stupid doing that, but it's, I don't know, it just adds a little bit something extra for it. I have been doing some painting. You guys are gonna see some new things that I've been working on. I actually painted a rock, or started painting a rock the other day, and I'm working on a new canvas. And yeah, it's been so fun, and I'm actually looking forward to doing more like that and doing like a gradient stone where it's like it transitions from a purple to a teal color and then like mix in between. Yeah, I've just been like super motivated to do more painting lately, but I have been busy doing some digital art, which I will show you here in a minute. Let me show you what I've been working on. Okay, big news, huge update. My older daughter has been invited to play on the select team for soccer. And what does that mean? Well, obviously it is going to be a huge commitment for our family. We are actually going to a tournament this weekend for the, it's called the Cranberry Cup, right after Thanksgiving. So actually, when this gets posted, it'll have already happened. We are super excited for her, but we also know that she's not going to get a ton of playing time because these girls have been playing together since April. But I was feeling super inspired about soccer in the league and all that stuff that I actually made a design, and I actually want to turn it into a sticker and put the club information on it and hand it out to the girls and to the coaches after it's all done. But I wanted to show you it. Isn't that super fun? And then I finished up a Deception Pass mandala 2, which is this one, and I absolutely love how this one turned out too. And then I'm currently working on a Mount Baker one. So this is like the start of it. Yeah, this is the start of it. Yeah, I don't know. I've been seriously nerding out on this stuff, and then all my thumbnails, oh my gosh. But those are some digital art things that I am currently working on. Let's see here, what else has been happening? That's probably the biggest news, and then that just means that we are having to pivot on how we do things, and it's pretty exciting. I'm super excited for the girls, or having this opportunity for the girls to play. Now, what goes forward, I don't know. I really want to get better on posting on social media. I am so sorry. I try my hardest. I feel like right now, everything with the holidays and the markets and all that stuff, it's just been all over the place, and my emotions have definitely been all over the place too, if I'm quite honest. Oh, and I didn't mention, I am training to do a 5K, and it's actually called a Santa 5K, and I'm doing it with a friend, and I'm going to be dressed up as Santa Claus doing this 5K, which it's going to be fun. And I'm actually really excited to do it because I've never ran a 5K, but I've been trying to do it, or been training to be running, which I'm not much of a runner. I'm kind of like a sporadic runner. I don't consistently do it, but I do run. So I'm really excited about that. And then I have a market on the 2nd. So here is the trigger. We've decided to do select, but there's also going to be a game the day of my market. And we're also going to go see for King and Country. And I don't know how we're going to do it because I have to do my market, my daughter has to go play, and then we're gonna go to a concert. That's a little insane. Sometimes I'm like, why do I do this to myself? This is way too much. It will be good. I know it will be good. This is a good adventure for my family, and I'm super excited about it. And I'm in the process of trying to order some more stickers, and yeah, just promoting that a little bit more, and then making some bookmarks and getting some bookmarks and cards and things like that. I'm just learning this stuff as I go, and sometimes you just have to go with the flow and figure it out on your own. And I will try to show any kind of extra information. As you guys are watching this vlog, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for continuing to watch this and listen to me just blab on forever sometimes, but I feel like it's important for you guys to kind of see what it's like, really. There is big anxieties and stress. I don't think I've ever hid any of that from you. It's been crazy, and I'm actually having, you guys haven't seen me do my planner. I totally did not do my planner at all for the month of November, and I need to get back to doing that because I am the keeper of all schedules for everyone, and I have been so bad about it. So bad because my husband doesn't do digital cameras, calendars. And my parents do a digital calendar, and they help me with the kids, like taking them to school and stuff, and then they want to know about games, and then I have my planner, and then I have my work planner, and it's just like so many things all the time, and I try not to stress out about it, but you know what, each day at a time, one moment at a time. It's okay. All right, I will talk to you guys later. I have no idea what is installed for this vlog. My plan this week is definitely to list my 2 new stickers that you guys saw on my last vlog on my Etsy shop. So then it's available for people to purchase. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. I don't think there's anything else for me to say, so I'm not gonna keep talking, which I've been talking for almost 10 minutes now. If you're still here, I appreciate you. Please leave me a comment if you have watched this video all the way through, so I can shout you out and be like, hey, thank you for supporting me. I appreciate you. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.